Show mommy how you can eat with your spoon. Get your spoon. Go ahead. You could do it. Go ahead. Now put it in your mouth. Yay! Good job. Do it again. Let me see. Scoop. Scoop it in. Good job. You gotta turn it up the other way. Turn it around. You staring it with the end? That's good too. Wow. You got your cracker? No. No. Hey, get your spoon. Get your spoon. Let's see you do it again. Get your spoon. Let's see. Now you have to dig it in the bowl. Put it in the bowl. Now scoop it out. Scoop it out. You gotta scoop. No scooping? Just once? Once for today? Scoop it out. Scoop. Scoop. Yeah, you can put it on top that way, but why don't you scoop your spoon in there? You gonna try it again? Go ahead. You gonna stir everything? Now why don't you flip it over? Now scoop it. Scoop it. Hey, scoop it. Dad does upstairs. There, good job! Yay! Yay! You're gonna give some of the tug on your spoon? Well, I guess you won't be eating that anymore. Well, mommy will take that. Thank you. We don't want Tug to use it and you. Let's see. No! Okie dokie, done. Bye bye.